Alright, so with the rise of live streaming platforms like Twitch and YouTube gaming and millions of people, watching people stream games online, there's one thing that stays in common with every stream, and that is the audio quality. No matter what lighting you're using, what PC you're using, or the 4K camera that you just bought, no matter how good your live stream looks, if it doesn't sound good, nobody's gonna watch, because it's a very commonly proven thing that bad audio is what chases off people from your videos. I can watch a video that's blurred in quality, that has really bad lighting. Even if I cannot see anything, if I can hear something good, I'm gonna stay on that video. And NZXT seems to have a solution for all the live streamers. And when I say NZXT and audio products in the same sentence, that doesn't ring any bells. But hey, this is NZXT's first entry into their audio line. So gamers, I present to you the NZXT Capsule microphone. Alright, so this is going to be my review. You guessed it right. So first up, starting off with the unboxing experience of the NZXT Capsule. This is a cardioid microphone, and unboxing experience was a good one. I think NZXT has put a lot of effort and thought into the packaging of this product, and it feels premium. For the price of $129, I think the packaging was really good, and the mic was well protected. And the box has some weight to it, it's good materials. And in terms of accessories, you get the extension for the boom arm right here with some cable clearance like I have here. You get the cable itself, which is a 3-meter USB Type-C to Type-A cable. And 3 meters, in my opinion, is a really good length. And you get the capsule microphone itself with the stand. Now this is the original stand that you get. It's quite heavy and made out of metal, has a rubber circular feet towards the bottom, so it doesn't slide off the surfaces that you're using it on. And it's really easy to actually attach it to the mic and then detach it to the mic, so you can have it on a boom arm. And if you're using a desk setup, if you don't have a boom arm, if you don't have a lot of space, you can just keep it on your desk, and that should do as well. And I really like the stand. It's really good quality and allows for the mic to be tilted in various angles, so you get the best more comfortable angle. And in my opinion, for a live streamer that is serious about live streaming, the boom arm setup is going to be the best one. And now talking about the microphone itself and some technical specifications, it has got a 25mm massive capsule that is tuned to the cardioid polar pattern, so it only accepts audio from one direction, that is that's front of it, and it ignores the sides as well as the back, so there is no background noise here. So let's say you have your keyboard or your PC running in the background, which is running full speed in the background, and I don't think you guys can hear it. So that's that. And on the mic itself, you have a USB Type-C port, so there is no phantom power. You don't have to get a preamp, none of that bullshit. This is plug and play, and this is the true definition of plug and play. The mic is always tuned to 50% gain, and if you increase it, it goes up. And there is 2 knobs right here. So you've got a microphone gain knob as well as a headphone volume knob. The headphone volume knob will help you in the real-time monitoring that this mic supports. There's a 3.5mm jack right here, in which you can plug in your headphones and get the real-time feedback of what you're talking into the mic. I'm not using it right now because I'm talking to you guys, but that is really helpful for people who are doing podcasts or recording voiceovers and stuff like that. So you get like a preview of how your voice sounds. And again, the 2 knobs on the microphone are no stop and infinite rotation, because your mic can be upright on the stand. It's going to be like this on the stand, and it's going to be upside down on the boom arm. Now it can be confusing which way to spin the knob to increase or decrease. That's why the knobs on the microphone are infinite rotation, and there is no stops, there is no clicks. So anti-clockwise is always going to be decreasing the volume, and clockwise will always increase the volume. And same goes for the gain knob. If you turn it clockwise, you're increasing. You turn it anti-clockwise, you're decreasing. Doesn't matter the mic is upside down or upright, it's always going to be functioning the same way. And that's a really nice touch in my opinion. That adds up to the convenience, because you always know you start at a 50% gain, and let's say you have a setting where 50% gain works for you, it's going to be the perfect, thing for you. You can always just, click live stream and that's it. You don't have to change any settings. And the gain knob, when pressed, also acts as a mute switch. So you press the gain knob and then you can't hear your audio. The viewers will not hear you. And then you press it again to unmute. The mic also has a really good studio quality internal pop filter and an internal shock mount. Now the pop filter is for plosives. Like whenever you're talking and you say the words which start with S or P or F, there is air coming out of your mouth, and those are very annoying to listen to as a viewer or a listener. And the internal pop filter cuts out all the plosives, so you don't hear any of the air that's coming out of the speaker's mouth. And the shock mount means that, let's say you're playing games, so you're moving your mouse and you're actually hitting keys on your keyboard, which will kind of rattle the desk and the microphone itself. But the internal shock mount helps to cancel out all those things as well. And the stand itself is very solid, so I don't think you will be getting all sorts of feedback there. So NZXT has thought about everything here. This is streamer's microphone for a gamer, and I really think this is going to be the best fit for people who are serious about live streaming, who want a really good audio quality experience but don't want to spend a lot of time jiggling around with settings. They don't really know how software works, because this mic does not need any software at the moment. Yes, there might be a future integration into Cam, NZXT's in-house software, but at the moment this is 100% plug and play. You just plug it in and that's it. You record, you live stream. This will be appearing in your OBS as well, and that's pretty much it. You can monitor your own audio, and it just sounds good out of the box. You can edit it further. Let's say you're a YouTuber like me and you make content and you're doing voiceovers or recording videos. You can edit the audio later if you wanted to, but this is the raw audio that comes out of the mic. Now, in terms of looks, this mic is my favorite. It looks good. And in terms of the competition, there's the Razer Siren Mini, you have the Elgato Wave 2, you have the Blue Yeti. All of those are really good mics as well, but none of them look as good as this one. It's available in black as well as white, and come on, this goes really well with the PC behind me, and it's going to be the perfect match if you have an NZXT based setup, if you have the NZXT ecosystem around you, like a H series case, a cooler, and all of that jazz. This will go perfectly and just settle into that setup, and I really like the look. Now, no matter how good a microphone looks, it is as good as it sounds. And if you're wondering how this microphone sounds, you've been listening to it throughout this whole video, and from the start till the finish, this is what is recording the video. But I think for plug and play, just on the go, you're a live streamer, you want to be quick with your setup, you don't want to waste a lot of time, because usually live streaming happens daily. YouTubers have the time to set up their gear and stuff because they make videos maybe every 2 or 3 days, but live streaming happens daily. It happens for a bunch of hours, 3 to 4 hours together, because you're playing a bunch of games. And this seems to be helping in saving time. It's very convenient, it sounds good, and it's affordable. What else could you ask for? $129 for the capsule in black and white. It's got good sound quality, as I said. It's got convenience, it's plug and play, and comes with the right set of accessories, and should be a great fit for any live streamer setup. And NZXT is actually making this. Their aim to design the capsule is for live streamers and gamers and content creators alike, people who do podcasts and who stream games, who want really good audio quality, don't want any software, don't want to be setting up stuff every day, don't want to jiggle around with the numbers, equalizing their sound. They just want something that is easy to use and very convenient. So that's that. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. That's been it from my side, and that was my quick review of the NZXT Capsule microphone. I totally recommend it. For $129, the competition doesn't come close to it in terms of the looks and the convenience and the sound quality. The whole overall package, the complete package it offers, none of the competition can come close to it, because the looks also matter for a live streaming setup, because people are looking at you and your setup. So if your microphone is annoying and not good, good looking, it might chase away a bunch of people. So this one isn't going to do that. And again, guys, if you like this video, go ahead and smash the like button, as well as subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But with that being said, my name has been Yusuf. You guys have been awesome. Stay awesome, keep smiling, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.